Guilty. So what is the next?
Oh, this is. Hi guys, doing an update on the shop. I guess this is gonna be a studio vlog na lang siguro. Yeah, I am gonna pick up the items because they just finished producing it or sewing it, because these items are gonna be a few masks and scrunchies, so excited for that. Look at my wall, all the posters fell down. So yeah, I think that's just gonna be an update. This will be like a quick studio vlog for y'all, but for now I'm just gonna pick it up and that's all. Hi guys, I think I'm gonna cry because the items are here and they look so good. This one is the only one, the only scrunchie I got with this design because it's for me. I love green. I don't know if people love green, neon green yet, but I love green, so I had this made just for me. And I have these other designs here. It's so soft. It's spandex, but it's so soft. It's so good for your hair. I can already feel it. This one is a rainbow, if you can see. Like, I had two kinds of scrunchies made. One is skinny one, and then the regular sized ones. Hi guys, I'm already at home and I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm so excited to post these items. So this is the packaging. Just paper bag, simple tape siguro or stapler. Then, namali ko print sa likod pero ganito yung front. And then you open the item. What you get inside is this is what you get inside. Charan! The scrunchie. That's my logo for my shop, my art page. Spoil your hair. It looks so good and it feels so good too. Look. Your life might be a mess, but at least your hair looks good. So yeah, this is the final item. I had one design that was just for me because, like I said, I'm not sure if people like the color as much as I do. And the designs that I made here are usually for the general public, or at least yung trendy, yung mga design. So this one is mine. Just gonna remove it. It's green. I don't know if people will like green, so I had one made just for me. And it has all my logo in it. I'm so happy about this. I'm gonna cry. It looks so good. And you know those scrunchies when it's like too small, the garter is too small. This one is just so perfect. And the fabric is stretchable as well. It's extra grip and comfort for you at the same time. So yeah, this is it. Oh, it's so cute. I just took some photos and I'm not sure if I'm fully happy with it, but I'm gonna edit it first and see if I need more things. Uy, okay ka lang? Kaisa? I'm just gonna edit those photos and add filters or adjust lighting and stuff, and then if I'm happy with the photos, I will edit them on posters to post on Instagram, and then we're good to go. Update guys, it's currently 8:14 p.m. and I finished kind of editing the photos. It's just small. Here they are if you want to see. Here's the photos that I took. So right now I'm trying to print on the paper bag. I think I got it to work. Print, baby. Please work, please work. Yes. Please upside down. Yes, it worked. Okay. Perfect. Work. Oh, so scary. I feel like it's gonna jam. No. paper jar. Okay guys, so I finished printing on the paper bag. This is just draft mode. It's still saving ink. So yeah, cute, no? Then I have the tags for the scrunchies that I will just glue together so that it will look like this. Guys, so it is, what time is it? 12:11 a.m. I was not recording the whole time I was speaking. I already posted the items. Well, just an update. I have 7 orders already, and I already delivered 2 items, one yesterday and one kanina. Then someone ordered 5 designs of the skinny scrunchies, and I'm so happy about it. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting. Hey guys, the face mask is here. I wanted black garter but they didn't have one, and I didn't really mind whatever color it was. Oops. I only have 2 each because I gave the other one to the one who made this, and this is mine. This is reversible. Ganda. And now I made these tags for the face mask because I wanted to wrap it like this. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna cry. Someone ordered like all my Shopee items left. Oh my god, I'm gonna pack them now. So I tried printing my first waybill, and I'm sorry for my voice, but right now I'm cutting it to a smaller size. I'm kind of confused about how to ship multiple orders, because how does the size of the item add up for the pouch that the courier will give? Because if it's multiple orders, I would want to use the box, this one. But since I only put the size of the paper bags, how is it supposed to add up? I'm so confused. This is the delivery today. This is the giveaway. This is the Shopee order, and I'm gonna send all of this out today. Okay, so hello friends. It's already 9:30 a.m. I'm just gonna show you my day of my first Shopee order. Apparently, I'm not sure if I can actually show you the whole receiving of courier thing, because right now I will leave the package to the guardhouse first kasi I have other deliveries to do, but I'll try to be fast, so when I get back, hopefully I can reach the courier so I can see him face to face. Hi guys! My hair. Hi guys! So, I went home na lang muna because I think nag-text yung Shopee, yung GoGo Express. I think he's the one that's texting me right now. Kasi bigla lang nag-text na walang intro or anything. So, I'm assuming it's him. But, if that is him, then hopefully
everything goes well after that. Also, I haven't eaten yet. It's almost noon. I'm hungry, but ganda ng lighting dito.